Okay, so 5 easy steps to prevent bed bugs at home. This guide is about quick peace of mind and safer sleep. I've been through this. These steps are realistic and you can act tonight. Here's the thing, if you're scared of bed bugs, worried about kids or pets getting bitten, or just exhausted from sleepless nights, this guide is for you. Read on, and you'll get 5 easy, practical steps you can use right away to keep bed bugs out, plus what to do if you spot one. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This next part lays out 5 quick steps you can do today to keep bed bugs out. They're practical, proven, and meant to get you sleeping better tonight. Okay, so protect your bed first. Put a bed bug-proof mattress encasement on your mattress and box spring. Move the bed a few inches away from walls and furniture. Avoid letting bedding touch the floor and install interceptors under each leg. Bed bugs travel to bite people at night. Encasing and blocking their paths cuts their access and reduces bites. Make laundry your armor. Wash bedding, clothing, and stuffed toys on the hottest setting they can safely take, then dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Keep clean clothes in sealed bags or drawers separate from items you've taken off outside or from travel. High heat kills all life stages of bed bugs and prevents recontamination. This one's important. Inspect and isolate second-hand items. Check used furniture, mattresses, and clothing carefully before bringing them inside. Look in seams under cushions and inside drawers for dark spots, shed skins, or live bugs. If you must bring a used item inside, keep it outside or in a garage until you inspect and treat it using heat, steam, or sealing in plastic. Reduce clutter and seal hiding places. Cut down clutter around beds and sofas so there are fewer places for bugs to hide. Seal cracks and gaps where baseboards meet the floor, and repair peeling wallpaper or loose outlet plates. Fewer hiding places near your sleeping spots makes detection and control much easier. Monitor often and act fast. Do quick inspections weekly. Look at mattress seams, box spring edges, and behind headboards. Use interceptors and sticky traps to monitor activity. If you see signs, live bugs, shed skins, dark fecal spots, or tiny blood spots, start treatment right away. See the spray strategy below. Early detection lets you stop a small problem before it becomes an infestation. If you want the tools that match these steps, for the recommended products to prevent and control bed bugs at home, click the link below. This explains why the plan works. The core principle is combining bed protection, stopping introductions, cutting hiding spots, and monitoring. No single trick fixes everything. The core principle here is a combined approach. Protect the bed, stop introductions, reduce hiding places, and monitor continuously. While you work through prevention, the mattress encasement, hot laundry, interceptors, and moving the bed away from walls will reduce bites fast so you can start sleeping better. If you do find bed bugs, use both a contact spray, kills on contact, and a residual spray, continues to kill after it dries. Practical treatment schedule many people use is spray twice per week for 1 month, then once per week for 2 to 3 months, while keeping encasements, heat laundering, and interceptors in place. Be consistent, repeated, targeted actions are what eliminate them. A few extra checks and how to stay confident. These optional steps help you lock things down, plus how to tell when the infestation is likely gone. Extra steps you can add: steam clean sofas, curtains, and mattress seams when possible. Steam at high temperature kills bugs in cracks and fabrics. And use washable slip covers for cushions and wash on hot regularly. And when traveling, keep luggage on racks, inspect before bringing it home, and wash travel clothes immediately. Here's what gone looks like. If you do not see live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Keep monitoring for a little while longer to be sure. A few encouragements: you're not to blame. Bed bugs spread easily. Small, steady steps give big results. Persistence pays off. Keep going, you're making progress. You're not to blame. Bed bugs spread easily and can happen to anyone. Small, steady steps give big results. Protecting the bed, controlling laundry, and monitoring will reduce bites quickly and keep your home safe. Persistence pays off. Follow the spray schedule and keep encasements and interceptors in place to make elimination achievable. You can do this. To get the tools we recommend to end bed bugs, click the link below. Stay steady, follow the steps, and sleep a little easier tonight.